Hi, my name's Suzanne Smith. I'm a lawyer turned landlord and I run the Independent Landlord blog, and I'm here doing a plumbing course, Introduction to Plumbing course. The thing that I find really difficult about being landlord isn't any of the stuff that you see in the newspapers. Is actually getting trades to do jobs and turn up, not overcharge me, and to do it really quickly, because often I have to wait weeks and weeks for quite simple jobs. So I decided to take it all into my own hands, literally, and learn the trades, and learn well enough to be able to do the common maintenance things that come up regularly. Well, it's been really hard, and because it's using different bits of my brain. I'm used to writing and thinking and analysing things, but here it's physical and I go home exhausted in the evening, but it's actually really satisfying as well because I'm able to do something, bend pipes, plumb in a bath, all of that sort of thing. I had no idea I was going to be able to do all that one day. Yes, I've enjoyed it thoroughly and progressed, because I knew absolutely nothing at all at the start. I've never done anything like this before, and so now I'm getting quite good at pipe bending, and I'm learning to fit taps and plumb in a bathroom. I wasn't really sure what to expect, but I've just been blown away at how much I've learned, and it's incredible. Just such a steep learning curve, and the instructors are very patient and don't mind going over it again and again and again, because it's taken me a long time to get some of the things, but it's the same for everybody. And something I'm actually quite relieved about is I'm not the worst in the class. I'm a bit in the middle, probably slightly below average, but because I just don't have the strength that some of the guys do, but they've been helping me out actually, which is what I won't be able to rely on when I'm doing it myself, but at least I'm learning a lot. And it came straight up, and I decided to go for it because Able Skills do proper courses. They're not just kind of some fluffy thing for influencers, if I can say that. They're proper city and guilds courses, and people trained to be proper plumbers and gas engineers and all that sort of thing. Well, Able Skills is really close to where I live. It's about a 45-minute drive, and I like the fact that it had this setup with different bays that we could practice on, and because it's just very different from YouTube, because you have two instructors that are here helping us when we get stuck, because we get stuck all the time because it's not easy, and whereas you don't get that with YouTube. And I'm coming back in a few weeks' time to do Introduction to Tiling, and I'm also going to do the carpentry course as well. Well, if any women are wanting to learn these sorts of trades, even if it's just to do maintenance or DIY, absolutely go through it. I felt quite intimidated on the first day because there were all these big burly lads being grumpy in their vans and sitting around yakking, but they're actually really lovely people on the course. The instructors are lovely as well, really supportive, and it's a nice friendly atmosphere, a bit of banter, but not too much. And I feel really comfortable here. It's not a problem.